Hello students, today we are going to solve problem set 12. In last video we have seen and we have solved the problem set 9 which is based on addition word problem. In this exercise, in this problem set we are going to solve the problem set related to and which is based on subtraction. So there are some words which indicates this word problem is subtractions. So still needs, many more, exceed, how much left. So this type of words indicates that it is related to, this means this type of word problems are related to subtraction. First word problem is Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Means the question asks that how much he still needs to be able to buy the laptop. Means how much the Prathamesh wants money to buy the laptop. Because the laptop price is 27,450 and Prathamesh has only 22,975. So we want to find out the difference of the amount that he need to buy the laptop. So let's see the solution. So this is the solution of the question number 1. Students, always remember that if you are writing any number, so whatever the information or whatever for purpose the number is given, in front of that number you have to write that particular information. So 27,450, this is the price of laptop, and 22,975 is money with Prathamesh. So let's do the subtraction. Here is 0, so 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we will take 110 from 5. So 5 we will cancel. It will become 4. And 110 will go to the 0. So 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here is 4. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow 110 from 4. So this 4 will become 3. And this 4 will be 14. So 14 minus 7 is how much? 7. Then 3. So 3 minus 9 is not possible again. Again we will take 110 from 7. So it will become 13. And 13 minus 9 is 4. Now here is 6. Because 110 we gave to 4. Now 6 minus 2 is possible. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So total money still needed is 4,475. So in answer you have to write Prathamesh still needs rupees 4,475 rupees to buy laptop. Now let's see the second question. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? In this question, asked that a certain company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year, and in next year that company produced 43,150. So how much more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So we have to find out the number of scooters produced in the previous year. So here again we have to find out the how many more scooters, means कितना ज़्यादा स्कूटर्स उन्होंने प्रोड्यूस किया है. So that we will shown in the our solution. Let's see. So here is the solution. 44,730. This is the scooters manufactured in certain year, and 43,150 scooters manufactured in next year. Students, always remember, you have to write bigger number first. Always write bigger number first. So let's see the solution. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 5 is possible? No. So we have to take 1 10 from our neighbor. So 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 6. Here is only 6. So 6 minus 1 we can subtract. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So how many more scooters are there in previous year? 1,580. So the company manufactured 1,580 more scooters in the previous year. Next is question number 3. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? Here we want to find out the number of women exceed the number of men. So certain year the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978, and we need to find out the number of women exceed the number of men. Let's see the solution. So solution is 16,52,978. This is the number of women. Because it is bigger number, so we want to write it first. 16,37,856. The number of men. Now we have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 2 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to take 1 10 from 5. So 5 will cancel, it will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5 and 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So number of women exceed is 15,122. So in answer we have to write the number of women exceeds the number of men by 15,122. Next is question number 4. An organization decided to collect 25 lakh rupees for a certain project. They collected 26,57,340 through donations and other kinds of aid. By how much did they exceed their target? In this question, ask that an organization which is want to collect 25 lakhs rupees for a certain project, but that organization collected from donation and other kinds of aid, that is 26,57,340 rupees. So we want to find out that how much did they exceed their target. Means they have decided to collect 25 lakh, but they collected 26 lakh 57,340. So by how much amount they have exceed the target? Let's see the solution. So solution is, first we have to write the bigger number. So 26,57,340 is amount received from donation, and 25 lakh is actual target amount. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the total amount which organization exceed their actual target is 1,57,340. So this is amount more than the target. So in answer we have to write, the organization exceeded target by rupees 1,57,340 rupees. Now question number 5. Use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Solve the problems. In this question, first we have to make the word problems by using these two numbers, and that word problem is related to subtraction. Let's see how to make. So here is one word problem related to that particular both numbers. In an election, Bhalerao got 27,056 votes and Chandrakant got 23,849 votes. By how much votes did Bhalerao win the election? So we need to find out the number of votes by Bhalerao, how much he win. Let's see solution. First we have to write the bigger number, that is 27,056. This is the Bhalerao votes, and 23,849, that is Chandrakant's votes. So let's see, 6 minus 9 is not possible. So we will take 1 from the neighbor, 110 from the neighbor. So this 5 will become 4 and then 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 5 and 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we will take 110 from 7. So 7 will become 6 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So Bhalerao won the election by 3,207 votes. Hope so you have understood this all 5 word problems. Now we will meet in the next video. Thank you.